Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Connect. Today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies to answer one question. What are altcoins? If you've heard terms like Ethereum, Dogecoin, or Litecoin but aren't sure what they mean, this video is for you. Altcoins are any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. The name literally means alternative coins. While Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, altcoins were created to improve upon it or serve entirely new purposes. The first altcoin, Litecoin, launched in 2011. Since then, thousands have emerged. Some, like Ethereum, revolutionized crypto with smart contracts. Others, like Dogecoin, started as jokes but gained huge popularity. Let's break down a few popular altcoins. Ethereum, a platform for apps and smart contracts. Litecoin, faster transactions than Bitcoin. Dogecoin, started as a meme but now used. For tipping online, altcoins can be exciting but risky. Pros: innovation, diversification, and potential high rewards. Cons: volatility, scams, and some might vanish overnight. Altcoins are a wild but fascinating part of crypto. Remember, do your research before investing. Drop a comment below if you want a video on how to buy altcoins. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.